Hello. Village administration of Cholas. The village administration is one of the important feature of Chola administration. A village is a autonomy. The people village of looked after the administration throughout elected representatives. Administrative system is became a famous during the Cholas period. Uttaramaru inscription Parthanaka about village administration according to the village is divided into three parts. Kudumbi, one of the representative of village, the period of 1 year. The members of elected Kuduvali lucky draw system and village assembled in the temple in the election. The name of the candidates who elected were written palm leaves put in the pot. The small boy was asked to pick the leaves after the other presence of everybody. Those whose representatives was elected. The elected representatives is a hard worker, annual committee, garden committee, tank band committee. The committees were also called as Virayama. The representative called of Veera Perimakula. The committees have 360 days. The village committees perform duties like protection of village property, collection of taxes, protection of temple, lakes, groves, forest. The resolution of committee were written constitution. The central administration will not interfere the village administration unnecessarily. The minimum qualification of members is the candidate should possess the minimum half acre of taxable land. Second point, should have reside own house built it own site. Third one, should be more than 35 years of less than 75 years age. Fourth, should have possessed knowledge of Veda, Brahma Mukhas and commerce. Should possess good character. Disqualification. Disqualified for re-election the member of any committee continuously for previous 3 years. Those committees is not submitted to accounts the close relative. Weak to chart, alcohol, thieves, accused, murdering Brahmins and committed adultery. This is the way of certain minimum qualification of disqualification of a committee. So these are the qualification we have assigned in the village administration by Cholas administration. Next, art and architecture of Cholas. The Cholas has given the contribution of art, the followed by Dravidian style. The Pallavas was built many temples, huge grand temples, shikaras and the speciality of Cholas. The special feature of Chola art can be seen in the temple of Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu, Ganagonda, Cholapuram temple, Kanabetta, Mahamantapa, Anubhav Mantapa and many others. Raja Rajeshwari Chola, the temple was built by Raja Raja Chola in 1009 CE in Tanjavur. It is the biggest temple talent of Shikara in India. The temple of Gangakoda Cholapuram is built by Rajendra Chola. The temple was Shikara 150 feet height and the 50 pillar of Shaba Mantapa in temple of Arctic. This is the temple we have seen in Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur. It is followed huge number of paintings, architecture have been constructed by Chola dynasty. In other, the many of administration have been Bharata Deshwara temple in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. ಚೋಳರ ಒಂದು ಕಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಲ್ಲವರು ದ್ರಾವಿಡನ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದಾಗಿ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳು ಶಿಖರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದರು. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೋಳದವರು ಅವರ ಕಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪ ತಂಜಾವೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾಣ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಬ್ರೀದೇಶ್ವರ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ರಾಜರಾಜ ಚೋಳ. ಇವರು ರಾಜರಾಜ ಚೋಳ ಅವರು ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಟೆಂಪಲನ್ನು 1009 CEಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದರು ಹಾಗೂ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚೋಳರ ಹೆಸರು ಅಮೋಘವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಚೋಳರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದಾಗಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಆಡಳಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಒತ್ತನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು ಹಾಗೂ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನೈಪುಣ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಒಂದು ನೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಚೋಳದವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಲ್ಪ್ಚರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ದ ಚೋಳ ಸ್ಕಲ್ಪ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ಟ್. ದ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಡಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿವ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಕಾಳಿಂಗವರ್ಮ, ನಟರಾಜ, ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ, etc. In different temples of very attractive. The bronze statue of Nataraja was the best contribution of art. In this period, the Chola have given the most of advantages of art and architecture, sculptures, paintings, and administration have been rewarded on the time of Rajaraja Chola, Rajendra Chola, and many others. So these are the important topics about the Cholan administration was the main feature. The important question of Cholas is describe the village administration of Chola. ಚೋಳರ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಆಡಳಿತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚೋಳನ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.